they got fucking going on. To know what they want and to know how to get it. Yeah. Fucking it up real good. Telling it to your brain. Oh, hold on a minute. I gotta do something. Oh, damn. The doctor looks at me like, shit, man. Your head is all fucked up, man. These people gotta get sick fast. Whose car is this? That's an ugly ass truck. Oh my god, they got something going on across the street. Yo, these two guys, these two old guys are like gay, man. It's like, oops, I think I dropped something. Oh yeah, you see. These two old guys are definitely gay. The other one said, oh, I think I dropped something. Yeah. He's looking like, yeah, what do we got here? Hey. Listen to the crazy woman talking in the background. She's got a mental patient. Who the fuck is that? Oh, that's the government? Oh yeah, that's why I saw that black car. Hey motherfucker, better not come in here. I got a fucking knife, man. And I ain't scared to use it. Who is it? Oh, the priest is here. Praise the Lord. What? Let's take a walk on the walls. Fucking hipster doofus over here. Damn, bro, what the fuck happened to my hair? Wait a minute, guys. Hold your breath. Okay. I'm going to get the marketing. These fucking people lose this guy's supposed to do. Oh my god. Are those the fucking things that I saw before? I'm gonna fucking call the cops, so stop fucking around. Jesus. I know something that you do not know. Oh, look at this guy. What is the deal with these people? It's like saying, oh, I got absolutely, what the fuck is that? It's like, you know what they say to themselves? I got absolutely nothing better to do with my time than to fucking stare at you. Who the fuck wants that shit? I mean, do you really understand what I'm like saying or something? Look at this guy. It's the doofus in the fucking car. Jesus have mercy on my fucking soul. Thank you. Plus my fucking head's not right. The one in the black car. Yeah, I wish I had a fucking car. I'd go traveling along in an automobile. Got a bunch of dogs hanging out up here. Maybe I should call the cops. Huh? Oh no, we don't need that. We don't need that one. No, we don't need that one. Oh, but you could take it if you wanted. But they were looking at it this morning. I don't know. I don't want to throw it in the garbage. No? Huh? What's over? I don't know. Oh, she's in the house. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She can't come out because of her hip. Yeah. So, you know. Oh, watch.
Okay. Yeah.
Let me ask you a real quick question.
Oh, take it easy.
What time masks do they have?
A what?
What time masks do they have at the church?